Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, so choosing the right home inspector matters. When choosing a home inspector, check their certifications, years in business, and customer reviews. A reliable home inspection company should have licensed inspectors, clear reporting, and a strong reputation in your area. Want to know how to vet a home inspector? Ask questions like, how long does the inspection take? Do you provide detailed digital reports? Can I attend the inspection? What areas are included? A trustworthy inspector will welcome your questions and explain the process clearly. Many buyers compare home inspection pricing versus quality, and that's smart. But the cheapest option can cost you more later if important issues are missed. A thorough inspection may take several hours and cover everything from roofing to plumbing, electrical systems, HVAC, structure, and safety concerns. One of the best ways of avoiding bad home inspections is knowing the warning signs: extremely low prices, vague reports, no insurance or certifications, pressure to skip parts of the inspection, poor communication. A professional inspector should give you confidence, not uncertainty. The best trustworthy home inspection services combine experience, transparency, technology, and customer care. That's why home buyers across the country trust the BrickKicker.